everyone, and a big congratulations to all of our graduates today. My name is Phoebe, and I'm 8 years old. I am so excited to graduating with all of you guys today. Today's theme is Dare to Dream Big. I really like that because when I grow up, I want to be a chef and own a restaurant. I want to name it Samuel's Fast Food because Samuel is my little brother and he loves fast food. This is my big dream. World Family gave me all the tools to build a strong foundation in English. I also enjoy reading all the Disney World of English Library of books. And I also had a lot of fun learning and practicing my English by attending at World Family Club. My favorite activity is family fun because I can practice my English in a fun way. We should all thank all our parents for their love and support. For without them, we will not able to complete all the challenges leading up to this graduation and all important milestones in our lives. Thank you, World Family, for this wonderful celebration, and congratulations to all of our graduates today. Thank you for listening.